Ha?
Bloopers!
Mali ba? Mali ba? Mali ba yun? Hindi ko alam, may step pala eh. Isa pa? Ano yun?
Ulit, ulit. Ararin mo yan.
Sabi ka dyan, love. Ano tayo? Yes, yes.
Okay, can you guys sit right in front?
Ayusin mo. Ay.
Can you please help me cut open this rock?
We cannot able to open that truck. It's too hard.
Over here.
Sakto lang ang ating punta. Asan? Patingin. Pero ang ganda ng kuha. Ang ganda ng kuha kasi kita pa rin yung sunset. Oo.
We'll just be over there. Ano, maganda na yata.
Hanggang nag-home na.
Take that one.
The sun is already set. Okay. Uy, tren, oh. Tren, food.
I don't, that's wet. Oh yeah, I think that's fine. Where are you talking?
Let's go. What we gonna do?
Ano? Lumalabing nga, ito na may tsura ko.
Pa-expert na yun.
Pa-expire na yung get up ko.
Pa-expert na yung ito.
Sunod-sunod niya eh. Liit pa.
Oo nga. Wala nakalimutan? Tubig.
Hey, come on.
Paakyat ba siya or pababa? Yung babae?
Ha?
Naumpog. Paakyat siya dito sa bato or pababa?
Pababa. Oo na.
Ganda nun, daddy. One take.
Lamig.
Sige, buti din na lang itong gamit mo.
Sige. Tara. Ganda na nung kanina eh. Oh. Tara.
David, sa mga ganyan.
Tara, come on, let's go. Dati karamihan phone.
Oh.
Hindi dumadaan. Pwede, may iba na napapansin ko.
Ayun, mga teenager pa yun ah. Tindi nun ah. Ha?
Ganyan din ako nun eh.
Baho na.
Pero mas matindi itong generation na to. Kasi yung weed namin nun, pangit eh.
Uy, ako ulit oh. Saan ba yan? Ano?
Tulog ka.
nagbabalerina sa banyo. Ganun ang rule siya. Wow!
Tingnan natin kung anong menu nila. Pa. Hoy! Order tayo ng ano, lab.
Okay, the real question.
So we'll get two regular V1. Yeah. And then what drink would you like?
Water, just water. Thai.
Then I'll get the taro.
Yung kit ikaw.
Yeah, this one. And then the
Wow.
shrimp roll. Then nagkuha ka ba ng
Shrimp roll. What do you like?
Sa inyo yun?
Ah.
Kasi papatanggal ko yung meat. Yeah, I'll
Pa?
get one.
Yes,
But
of
no
course.
meat inside. Yung deli meat na nakalagay. Di ba may meat na nilalagay sa loob? Oh my gosh, pinakain mo, hindi mo alam na may meat. Artificial na crab? Deli meat. Deli meat. Parang, hindi mo pag dumatay. Yeah.
Sauce.
Bawal ako sa mga ganun, mga deli meat.
Mamaya darating na rin yun sa akin yun.
Ang alam? Diba na-order ko din? Pork? Sabi mo yung fried and...
Tignan nyo mamaya kung ilan ang ano.
Ano nga order ka man? Ano?
Pork ba yan?
Order ko.
Apa yun? Sige, kain na kayo. Ito sa akin. Ayan o. Natin. Oh, yeah. Good daw mo. Welcome.
It's not unusual in the area you live in. We'll be fine. And he looks at me and says, Joe?
D1. D1. D1? Is it D1? We're all D1. All of us.
Out of all the places to go, right?
Yeah.
And then, so I actually called that Canada. But even that's not that bad. We used to call it mid-hacker.
Dami mo in order. Dapat sa kanila yun. Hindi pa, Daddy.
We changed the quit code to /quit. Because Papa Roach came out around that time.
May namatay, Daddy.
And Eric has never recovered since. Eric actually listens to Papa
So give me my jacket.
Baby, hindi ko.
Sauce. Chili.
Hindi kasi nagdala ng jacket.
Hindi ako eh, Jen. Ricardo.
Ay, no. Lamigin ka pa naman.
Don't explain it. If you don't get on it, like,
Ang mga hangover ata tao.
just start giving him like, if you spend much time, you're gonna sit down and start leaving him plastic on it.
On it, thank you.
Ah,
Plastic fork.
Can I get
Alright.
our own dish of...
Oh yeah, give me one second.
Unless what happened last year happens again. Stop being your scout. Stop being your scout.
Ayan natin.
Yes, Dad. Leave everything above your shoulders alone.
Dahil nung kinuha mo sa kanila, kids pa. Sorry.
Ah.
You want to feel like you're having something? You want to find out? Let's find out. That's something. Okay. Kind of tweaking the guy on my bus the other day. He wasn't very sure.
Talaga mo lang dyan, love.
Over his shoulder, and I said, I guess.
Thank you.
Technically on. I'm done art.
Ate, gusto mo ng ano?
Eh, tata.
Ate, gusto mo ng toge?
Hey, put it.
Hey, don't change the subject. He clearly got an internship at a dentist. It's nothing but pulling teeth with him. No.
Feel spicy?
Big part is on page. Kind of rushed.
Ito tayo.
Sino to?
Ito, pang chili. Ayun,
I
chili.
don't work tomorrow or the next day.
Di nakita eh.
Give him the night to deal with tomorrow.
Mhm.
Ano price lang kayo? Regular lang?
Okay, go ahead.
Sobrang laki ba yun? Malaki yung laki ng large.
I guess we're just
Nakapagod ka na ng
Give it
large.
to nanay, ha?
Ang laki.
Can I have one? Thank you.
Bakit na kids pa dito kasi may meat tsaka may laman. Sa kabila wala. Anak na too much.
Oy.
My mom tried to do the same thing.
Hot sauce. Okay. Thank you. Hoy. Oh, trip tayo. Sibog, sibog.
Baka si mama.
Or if it's a fruit basket.
Sam!
But you were other people's roles. Yeah. So you are officially a new independent. Are you sure? I'm never gonna
The brisket, big ball, big butt.
And then every once in a while, broken will fall off. I don't know how broken you get that.
Hindi ko alam ang mga ito.
I don't know if There's another time where food. It's either conveyor belt or grass. I would say this. Going to the city about these all these. Yeah, so and the whole reason was to make it single thing.
Order ako ng Thai ice tea. Ano ba? Ina naman? Thai tea. Thai tea lang. Meron sila. Thai ice cream. Thai go ba na? Yeah. It's the same. It's okay, Bobby. It's okay. Thank you for sharing.
I was like, order ka na. It's not fun for any. I don't think that I'm having fun.
I asked you a question about anything. How do you derive any joy from that?
How's your pickleball? Good? Next time again? Ah.
Next time when
You were old enough to understand.
It's okay. What would you tell your sister?
That's all it is. Boiling down first. Make it to a stop.
Sam, you said that you were mad because
It's literally all there is.
you kept missing, right?
Don't overthink it.
You were also in
It's so funny. You know that John.
the ball got caught there, but you to the ball when the landed on the ground.
Actually, she's not in the mood. But once you're... That one is deeper.
Thick wall.
Shallow. Shallow siya.
I like
Sarap na.
Imagine everything wrong with like a society for evil and put it all into one person. Which is bad guy. Take one.
Yeah,
The rest will follow. Don't worry. And then the worst part is,
added a lot of
there's a second
sarap.
derivation.
Buti mo, sobrang dark nung kayo sa kamantan. Dami nilagay na ano.
The people's, the Lockemus, the feather of his claw.
Medyo po talap out, ano, hoisin salt.
His people, they are just as bad in their own uniquely terrible way. 7-year-old friend of his was filming his parents.
better than these.
And the parents cited him the front. Living with her home. And so she now lives in her home. And never Gonna have to call her and stuff herself.
Ano bang debatable? Better to try new things, right?
Again, feathers in the same car.
What I like here is they're open until midnight. And they're late.
Other people
Yeah,
still
lahat up na.
survive.
Sakto-sakto to sa mga ano, yung mga mag-iinom ng ano, ang over, ano
So
sila.
he used my dad's relationship.
Eh, diba? Remedy.
Have you tried the lumpia, ate? Try the lumpia. It's very good.
Ah,
Really just victim speak for it.
so, oh, ito lang. Can I drink from you? My drink is not here yet.
Can you look at me like you try to order anything else? You know? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, let's go. No, right. You got anything else? You know?
Yeah, fun fact, you know Bobas are tapioca pearls?
It sounds complicated, but it's actually very
Tapioca pearls are like a funky white
Ayan na ka, oh. No. Lumalabas.
Oh, meron.
Meron. Hindi lang sila nag-explore. Pero meron.
Thank
Thank you.
Bata ka ako sa amin.
Sa akin, ako.
No.
Totoong ano siya.
It's still really good. Milk here is
Wanna
not
try it?
as sweet.
Ah.
This one's better than
The baba is soft. Subscribe.
Ano? You don't like?
Yeah, you like it?
No, later. Thank you.
Bebe. Oh, bebe.
People say that Florida has
Yes, Jacob.
like a cookie and cream thing.
Naparami, no?
That house is so old that you
Naparami.
Sabi ko lang na toyo, pero
I'll just spend some time with family and talk to the beach and probably wait for people. I should probably. Alright, go.
So, sarap. Always. Nakaka-extend ng ano to, duration ng sando. Yung pa-expert na kanina eh. Lamig na eh, lumalamig sa labas eh.
Sarap. Kadili pa eh.
Tapos mo? Ako din eh. Di halatang gutom.
Ano, ito siya na?
You can take it home.
you know what?
butter.
No, no, it's all. We're spicy flour.
Oh.
Do you want to add some of the rice?
Because that's not spicy. That's actually spicy.
So, iwan even.
Because tatay,
Huwag mo sabi.
tatay, tatay,
Tama. Kaya ng reason kaya tumatakbo yan si Kuya
not
Eugene.
gonna agree with tatay stuff.
The jalapeno rice cookie.
Jalapeno rice?
That's spicy.
Jalapeno rice?
The jalapeno rice chips.
Ah.
The rice
Now
jalapeno.
this, so much stomach.
You mean the bagel?
Hindi sa
I put my last on fire, but it didn't make the second burn. Oh, it's so good.
Careful.
Tommy hates it. I can eat it. I like it. Tommy hates it.
Oh my gosh.
Ano?
Nabate. Go! I'll follow.
Tapos ka na ba?
Hindi pa. Go lang. It's okay. It's okay. Tayo mo ka. Take me after. Sige. Aray ko. Ikaw na. Yeah. Tapos na ako eh.
Tapos na daw sa Ate Lab.
A lot of people love stuff. All the pros.
Abe. So, ayun o. Gulo natin ah. Nakasabay ka sa ano ah. Nakasabay ka sa flow ah. Yun o. Oh man. Laban na.
Na, max out na.
GG.
Sabaw yung naman ng tiyan ko.
Oo nga. Oo nga.
You want some more, Bibi? You want some more noodles?
Gano'n na. Takbo ng takbo kanina.
Try the mix. Protein.
Ay, the meat. Did you eat some of it?
You guys ready?
How are you living or like pala tayo parang
Solvent na ako, men. So, 20.